Internal report number 230. Strange bird deaths throughout the city. Summary. Bodies of dead birds now litter city streets and public parks. Hard-hit areas have reported literally thousands of bodies, while other areas of the city have seen very few birds at all. God damn. Thomas is one tough bastard. He's still alive. Damn. Inception, dream within a dream shit. Well, the question is, how did he get
Hello,
here?
Ethan.
Who are you? What is going on?
Calm yourself. My name is Malcom Vanhorn. I was a great friend of your father's.
Yes, I remember you a long time ago, but why are you here now?
Last night, well, I was nearby. An unfortunate scene. You did your best, but it could not be helped.
The detectives.
They're dead. Shot with your weapon. And you will be blamed for their deaths.
Ridiculous. I'll just tell them.
What? Tell them the truth? They have already decided the truth.
This is insane. I can't just give up the bureau.
It's already been taken from you. Now join me and help yourself.
Open up, it's the police.
Damn. Take your bag and head across to the metro station. I will meet you later.
Agent Thomas, you know you're in there. Open up now.
Ethan, you must trust me. I am here to help. Now go. Sorry, officer. You woke me from sleep. No, I don't know where Mr. Thomas is.
What's your business here?
My name is Malcom Vanhorn. I'm an old friend of the family. He invited me to stay here, but he must have forgotten I was arriving today.
Well, please stand clear. We need to search the premises.
Alright, I gotta lay low. Looks like I gotta grab this conduit to defend myself. Ah, damn it, I need a shovel. The question is, where can I get one? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's got better damage, too. There we go. Open sesame. I just heard running. At least I thought I did. Zoom in the crop lens. It's a collection tool, that's weird. Use white arrows and device to help you guide to evidence. Here we go.
God, I thought they would have suspended my lab access.
They still might. It hasn't occurred to them yet.
I didn't kill those guys.
I know, Thomas. Well, I'm not certain what I do or don't know, but I'm pretty sure I still trust you. And that goes a long way.
Understood. So, what about the photos?
Well, no standing on ceremony then. It's a picture of you, Thomas. In your apartment. I remember that hideous sofa from last year's Christmas party. It had to have been taken from across the alley.
From within the metro station?
It appears so. I'm also seeing smudges across the face of the photo. Locate a good sample and transmit it to me.
Find a good source of the detective in the photos. Ah, there we go.
Okay, analyzing chemical composition.
Oh yeah, this is back in the day when people still developed photos.
The liquid is C41 color photo developer fluid. Common among shutterbugs who develop their own color shots. Safer to develop your own. No record at the photo mats.
So wait, these photos were processed here, somewhere within the station.
That would be my guess.
Better find them. Now, god damn it. Stun enemy with taser and then steal their weapon. Oh crap. Okay, damage. Oh, it's got better speed. Okay. Use crowbar. What the hell? Oh shit, this guy's a big boy. Two big boys. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Ow. Third death. Drink. Too. Fuck. Fourth, fifth. Drink. Oh. Oh, damn it. So many ways to kill. Because I hit 3 and then that was right when he got up. Oh! So I took that guy out as he was climbing. I took out the guy behind him, but I didn't take out the guy in front of me. Oh, God. There we go. Okay. Drop the thing of rebar. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep the crowbar for a little bit. Cheese poofs. There's gotta be some medicine around here. Ah, here we go. Pop a few pain meds and I'm good to go. Just like good old Max Payne. Everything about this game, the mood lighting, the creepy fucking music, everything is is meant to build suspense.
This is Thomas.
It's Vanhorn. Listen and be quiet. I don't have long. The police are now searching, or more properly destroying your apartment. They seem to have no faith in your innocence.
But I am innocent.
I know that. You must prove that. One more thing. You have a special talent, a gift that very few of us have. We haven't time to discuss this fully, but trust your instincts. Rely on them. I must go now. Remain alert.
Lovely. Up there he is. Fuck you. Fuck a duck. With a hockey puck. I wasted no time. I was like, fuck you. Sledgehammer required. Alright, lovely. Let's go looking for a sledgehammer. If I were a sledgehammer, where would I hide? What is this building anyway? I don't think this is a school. I can't open that door. Looks like I'm going down. Pistol, and he only had 2 shots. Really, motherfucker, you were shooting at me, and you only had a couple rounds. Oh, crap! Where's the sledgehammer? Oh, fuck. Where's your friend? There he is. There. I know I'm relying on the taser a little bit, but on hard mode you can only take a handful of hits, so... Oh god, is that a hand? Oh, thank god, it's a mannequin arm. Awesome. Well, I honestly never thought I'd say that, but... I just think about bathrooms and showers that always seem to be the creepiest things. The creepiest rooms in a place. Okay. Locked. Okay.
Thomas speaking.
Ethan, it's Vanhorn.
How do you know this number anyway?
I know many things about you, Ethan. Since your father's death, I've watched you, hoping that you would find your potential.
My potential?
Yes. You've become an excellent investigator. Not through training or luck, but instinctually. However, you'll find that you are capable of seeing so much more.
Again with the instincts.
They're a gift from, well, perhaps not from God. Remember, they can help you and others. Again, I must go. Be careful.
Alright. Pop some pills and I'm good to go. Ooh, a crowbar. Chances are I'm probably gonna need this. so I might as well take it now. Oops, wrong button. Alright, where is it? Oh god, there's another one. Okay. I love how he was like leaving me alone until I grabbed the bird. Almost like I was supposed to find it. Oh fuck. Fuck, there's a bruiser. Well, there's 2 health kits there, so maybe I. Boom, bitch. And. I honestly love how that's considered a slam. Okay, now let me grab this. Okay, and I'm full health again. I'd love to see like a reintroduction of this series. Use trail of seal.
Awaiting transfer.
I just saw somebody. Oh, yep. Fuck, fuck, fuck. I don't want to let me. There we go. Fuck you. Sneak attack. Alright. What the hell? Why the hell would he go through the time and the effort to develop these photos through here? Going around. What the hell? Damn it. I'm gonna close this door and hopefully that's, slows him down at least. Oh, sledgehammer required. Lovely. Okay. Put your investigation tool away. Great. Now we're fighting each other. I don't even have to do anything. Come on. Get away from me.
Fuck!
Oh, fucking, he's gonna beat me to death. That really pisses me off. Hope you guys are at least finding this entertaining. Okay, come on. Go for it. Leave me alone. Okay, there we go. There we go. Fucking asshole. Okay. Okay, I need of course I need a fire axe. But I think the bruiser up here, he had a, oh, damn it. That actually really pissed me off because I thought he had a sledgehammer. Of course, the elevator's out of order, because, you know, why wouldn't anything work correctly when I'm the main character? I honestly don't know why you couldn't use a crowbar to break the lock. I mean, granted, a sledgehammer would be better, but I feel like you could just... I don't know. Just thinking outside the box and using logic, you know. The bane of all games' existences. There. Ah, crap. Another... Oh, fuck it. Alright, they're gonna fight. There we go. Okay, I had to use both those meds, but fire axe. Lovely. Gotta love it. Fuck. Is that a gun? Oh. Where the hell were you hiding? Because honestly, if I knew you had that thing, I would have just like found you, kicked your ass, and then fucking taken it. Every time I think of that I think about The Shining. Which, fun fact about that movie, Jack Nicholson, he had trained as a volunteer fireman, so like they had a prop door for him to break, and he kept breaking it too quickly with the axe. So literally what happened was they had to make a stronger door for him to do it. He also improvised the you know, here's Johnny line. There we go. What do we got? What do we got in here? Ooh. You unlocked the Ripple TV achievement. Like that's important. Alright, ready tool. Oh, okay, yeah, this is... Oh, of course, up the stairs. Lovely. And here I thought I had to go up there, like through that door. Well, don't I feel foolish? But at least I unlocked an achievement for it. Searching through the scummy subways, trying not to get killed by some hobos. Ah, man, I wish Val was here. He'd be better at jock rocking the songs more than I would. Anyway. Ooh, through here. Oh, come on, really? Looks like I'm heading into the sewers. Into the seedy underbelly. Hate being down here. I also should probably, because I've honestly considered doing fear as well. Okay, I've already been here, so what was the point of this? Oh, the lever. Okay, so that was the whole point of it. Alright. Power the elevator back on. Paranoid. Going up. probably the most solitude you'll get in this whole entire fucking game. Oh god. Oof. What the hell? Sounded like a wounded animal. What the fuck? Oh, damn it. I need a crowbar. Fucking A. Well, the question is, should I go back down there to grab that crowbar if I can? Oh. Oh, yeah, no, I can call. Oh, you son of a bitch. Is there a crowbar around here? No, there is not. Alright, well. Oh, you fucking asshole. Dick. Oh, shit, that guy's got a fucking shotgun. Give me that. Oh. And of course he used all the ammo. Oh, you fucking dicks. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, they'll actively look for another weapon. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, what was the point of pushing that door in if you knew you were already gonna... If you knew you needed a weapon? There we go. There we go. I got 2 more shots with this thing. Time to have some fun. Come on, you fucking cowards. Ugh. I went all Silent Hill 2 on this. Oh, sledgehammer. Something tells me I'm gonna need this. Fuck it. Fucking assholes. Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure the coast is clear at this point. Or... Okay, I'm actually hearing somebody. What the hell? Metal pieces. Jesus Christ. It's everywhere. Oh god. Alright. I'm hearing a fucking police scanner. Hell? don't see a mattress, which I realize is a weird, like, you know, thing to fucking... Is a weird, thing to, like, I wouldn't say gravitate to, but, like, point out, but...
Processing image. Interesting. Initial scan indicates 18 newspaper clippings, 11 from our own evening edition, 7 from nearby community papers, all with the same theme: serial killers. Most of them different, but all of them are cases you've worked on. Some have markings in a black felt tip pen. Still running frequency analysis on the markings to see if we can guess what they mean.
Alright. What the hell? The hell? Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There he is. Track down the suspect. Fuck. No fairness, you left those pictures out like a dumbass. Marco! Marco! Come out, wherever you are. Take your beating like a fucking man for what you fucking did to me. Shit. This game does get trippy at times. Pass to the door to complete the chapter. And we're done with chapter 2. 3 of the 6 birds found, and 1 of the 3 metal pieces found. You've earned 3 achievements. 2 Bronze Bird Award, Ripple TV, Xbox 360, and Chapter 2. Let's proceed to Chapter 3.